Hey guys, so we're on our next adventure today. We're off to Catbells, which is a area in Keswick in the Lake District. Now, we are not mountaineers at all. We don't pretend to be, but we thought we were going to give this a bit of a go. Have a nice little hike today. The last thing we did of this, we went to Keswick. We enjoyed that, so we're going to try Catbells. We're going to go to another one called Helvellyn. Some of you may have done that, but from looks of some of the pictures at the moment, it's covered in snow, and none of us have the gear for this, so we're just winging it really. So we're going to go and try this today. Hopefully it won't be covered in snow. It looks pretty nice weather today so far, and we'll catch up with you later on. We're just waiting for Julianne to come back from the services. We're at T-Bay services on way there. Looks like a really popular services there. There's a load of people there just chilling out on the tops here. Got a great view of the mountains. So we made it to Catbells. So we're now gonna walk the very long walk all the way, hopefully to the top of there. It's about 3 miles, I think. And I'm in Converse. We're not all fully prepared, are we, Jules?
Not like me.
Nope. Wish us luck. We have got mountain rescue on call if need be. Absolutely knackered. We thought this was the top, then we got to this bit and then we realised there's not. There's another massive bit up there as well. But look at these views, Jules. Look at this. Pretty good. We have started all the way down there. Not bad. Looks pretty cool. Looks like you're going to ramble your way to the top. So I'm climbing. We should be looking for converse. Yeah. I think we're going to be there. We've made it. So that rambling bit was no joke. It's scary in there bits, you know. With no grip on your trainers. Probably should have worn walking trainers, I think. But we made it up. And we're currently debating whether to do that really high one over there. It might not be a good idea in these trainers. Pretty high though, aren't we, Jules? I'm landing, and then the wind took the drone slightly. I was grabbing it. One of the propellers just cut all my finger. It's going really well. Really well. So that's the current situation. That bloody path. If it's a path, it's fine. If it's rocks, it's going to be terrible. So nice here. We're just reaching the second peak. I wonder if that actually is Catbells Mountain or not. Or have we done Catbells Mountain? Look at that, we've got to do. Oh my god. Believe me, it's really bad. I think we're going to do it. It's no more injuries. We can do this, Jules. I think they are rambling though in that middle bit. Do you reckon, Jules?
Yeah, we can do it.
But we've not got a walking stick.
You've not got walking boots.
No, we've got converse on. They are in that middle bit rambling, aren't they? I think they are. Current sit rep. We're about halfway up this. We did decide to just have a go. So we're making our own kind of path route here. Look how high up we are now. Whoa! Very good. We seem to be not following everyone else though, which could be a problem. It was really bad actually. Dead steep and someone fell. So there's a bit of a backlog, but not far off now. We found a path. Yeah, it is bloody high there now. We made it to the top. So we're just chilling out now with a drink. God, that was scary. That last bit was really high up. So we finally did it. Look at the view you're rewarded with when you're at the top. Amazing. 100% recommend coming here. Whoa. That is amazing.
You're too little for that now, but you could definitely do that when you're older.
You can't get sick of that view, can you? We did this, Jules. We did it. We bloody did it. is nobody else going this way? Oh dear. Doing alright. Come on, Jules. Slow and steady wins the race, doesn't it? Yes. Going down a path. God. Oh dear. Is this the path we followed?
Yeah.
I don't remember it. Right, I'm going to put the camera away and just concentrate so it don't die. Bloody hell. Came up all that way. That was pretty steep.
What?
That was pretty steep, wasn't it? What's this last bit to do now? The worst bit. The first one we did.
That's not even the top. We did that, and there's another
Then
one.
you, yeah, then you get to the top. And you go the path and up there. So I hope you enjoyed watching that with us. We certainly did. Thanks for coming along on the journey with us. Only one major injury to my finger. We're a little bit tired now, but highly recommend it. But once you get to that first bit there, it's not over. You've got 3 more to do. Anyway, see you again. Bye!